Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm excited to tell you about Nebula Miners. It's a cool project and it's been out there for a while. I just wanted to tell you about this one and show you some details of it. Maybe you already heard about it before, but if you didn't, watch the video until the end and don't forget to subscribe for new project reviews and to see more investment platforms. You can mint, trade, stake NFT and get miner rewards over here, guys. I found that reliable because it's been more than a month. This one actually came out. See the audit and the mining report. On white paper, of course, you can see more detailed information about the project. See, they have NFTs, guys. These are unique NFTs and they have staking and mining certificates. These are tradable NFTs. They increase transparency, fairness, and security, they say. Of course, you need to do your own research. Aside from this, they're building closer community connections. There are different types of NFT, Nebula Miner Trial NFT, Nebula Miners NFT, and others. I will leave social links in description so you can go check their Twitter, community chat, and the channel for more. You can guys come here, basically participate in cloud mining. By using Nebula Miner, you can mint NFT, trade NFT, and stake NFT over here. It has next generation decentralized cloud mining contracts, they say. And also, if you have questions on your mind about the platform, come here, check the FAQs, see how to mint multiple times, how to get rewards, how to withdraw, and why do you need to choose this platform, guys. I know there are lots of similar projects to this one, but of course you can come here and give it a try. This is all up to you. You can see their NFT collection over here. Each deposit will mint a unique NFT with metadata information, including the deposit amount and mint time, they say. These are the miners, guys. These are the miner NFTs. There is a 5-day trial. You can see you can get this one 5-day trial or the one. This one is giving you between 1.8 to 3.2% daily income. They also share the partnerships they're having right now, and these are the completed steps of the Nebula Miners. You can see they have, of course, lots of goals for the next years. I hope this will go for a long time, and if you want to invest in this kind of projects, you can come and check this out. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more projects here, give this video a like and let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.